Pada pihak Kechara, akak sekeluarga mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih sebab banyak bantu keluarga akak.
Kechara Soup Kitchen, KSK, is founded by His Eminence the 25th Tsem Rinpoche, who as a youth experienced hunger, homelessness and hardship as he trekked across America in search of truth and purpose in life. KSK is one of Kuala Lumpur's most established soup kitchens, providing more than 13,000 meals a month in addition to medical care, counselling, job opportunities and shelter placement services. Although of spiritual roots, KSK is a non-religious, non-partisan society that does not discriminate between race, religion or creed of the clients it serves.
My first impression with KSK is that a big organization and very systematic and very organized community.
We all have the same goals now, basically, of helping other people, and then they want to make this place a better place to live in. And then at the same time, the energy around here is very positive.
Now, KSK has expanded their clientele to include the urban poor. This group is living a life on the brink of losing their shelter. Any little mishap would push them into the homeless territory.
好多謝你咁多位，真係，我真係好感動嘅。舊年啊，我冇飯食過年啊，舊年我冇飯食過年，淨係飲餅乾同素素麵都係咁啦。
而家食物夠唔夠啊？
夠，食物夠，好多謝你咁多位，真係食物夠。
Food is the start of the relationship between KSK and its clients, where it grows into trust, allowing the organization to help them further.
Every Saturday, when they distribute food, there's a team of doctors who comes around. Those who are staying on the street, all sort of sickness, they have real skin problem, all this minor illness lah. But if for those serious ones, there's quite a letter to send them to the hospital.
Throughout the years, KSK has successfully helped some of the homeless return to the society. By finding out and understanding their needs, we managed to provide them with proper assistance. With the support of a formidable army of volunteers and various resources, the number of clients returning to society is very encouraging. KSK is putting in place a future plan to realize their goals of helping more homeless and poor. This includes establishing a well-built food bank with systematic food storage and distribution. An international standard food bank allows many more urban poor to receive regular fresh food and dry provisions so they could reduce their financial burdens due to the rising cost of living.
Dulu makan tak cukup, sekarang ni orang kata dah teratur lah. Dulu kadang beras tak sampai tengah bulan dah habis. Bila pihak Kechara hantar macam susu, ada pampers. Jadi maknanya stok barang tu sentiasa ada lah. Jadi anak-anak makan pun seronok.
We are also setting up a nurture center where we can offer training and job placement to the homeless. Another important aspect of our plan is to have proper mobile clinics with full medical services.
We provide medical facilities for them. I believe that if we can keep them as healthy as possible, it's better for all of us and we will benefit as whole because end of the day, we breathe the same air with them.
Kadang-kadang Kechara tanya, sekolah uniform ada tak? Secara akan ditanya juga, you susah macam mana? You okey tak? Dia macam saya punya keluarga juga dia orang.
To me, it's just like talking to someone normal, but to them, it's talking to someone really special. And from them, they get really happy, and I feel really happy too. So by going to sleep at night, you feel very happy that you help someone by just talking to them.
In 2014, KSK won the Iskandar Malaysia Social Hero Awards for Hunger and Poverty Relief.
The day when Justin met me, the day I was already whole body shivering already. See, because vomiting, coughing, then Justin says, better go into the home. If not on the street, you cannot survive. I want to tell Kechara that I would like to thank them very much for helping me out. When I'm sitting here today, it's what all Kechara did for me.
Being a non-profit organization with tax exemption status, KSK is thankful to the many corporations and individuals who have rallied to our cause. We have important goals in the pipeline, and we hope that many more companies and individuals will come on board to support us. KSK upholds its motto, "Hunger knows no barrier." We'll continue to take pride in helping their clients the best way possible without fear or favor, as it has done for the last decade. And with your help, we can certainly achieve greater heights.
Semoga lebih majulah pihak Kechara, dapat membantu pihak yang lebih ramai lah yang memerlukan. Terima kasih. Rasa bersyukurlah sebab dapat bantuan kan.